Ever played your favorite song only for your cat to stare at you like you're broken? Yeah, it's not just your questionable music taste. Cats literally hear the world differently. Here's the deal. Humans hear sounds between 20 hertz and 20 kilohertz. But cats? They've got super hearing. Anything from 45 hertz all the way up to 65 kilohertz. That's why they're more into the high-pitched squeaks of prey than your bass-heavy playlist. So what does get a cat grooving? Turns out cats actually vibe with sounds they recognize, like gentle purring, suckling noises, or birds chirping. That's why some artists make music just for them. Ever heard of Pet Acoustics? Their tracks are made to help cats chill during stressful stuff like vet visits or thunderstorms. Pretty cool, right? So now I gotta ask, does your cat have a go-to jam on your playlist, or do they just walk out of the room?